Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be making slime. And today I don't have Kinsley. Sorry guys, but she moved, so we don't know where she lives now. But she's probably going to be in a video soon. So, yeah. Today we're going to make slime, like I just said. So we have glow in the dark glue. We have clear Elmer's glue. We have washable clear glue. Another washable clear glue. And another one. And we have a measuring cup to mix in. A syringe that goes up to 1/4 of teaspoon, and it goes up to 1 millimeter probably. So, and I have a plastic fork, a plastic spoon, and a plastic knife. I'll be right back. Oh gosh, I got Barbasol Thick and Rich Shaving Cream Original. Oopsies, original. So, yeah. Gotta fit all my stuff into this video. It's hard to fit everything inside the video. And you barely have any room on your camera. So, yeah guys, so let's get started. I'm going to go fill the bucket up with water, so I'll be right back. My mom bought these little cups for me. Yeah, they might be shot glasses. Yeah, but she bought them for me just so I can put my slime and stuff in there. So yeah, let's do this. So I got my bowl. I'm gonna put some clear glue in there. Doesn't matter how much you put of your choice. I have slime for life, so I'm just gonna use probably a little. Don't want to use all of it. Let's go ahead and this, as y'all can see, this is new. They're all new, like all of it. So we're gonna have to shake the shaving cream. And see, don't go under the couch or the chair, whatever. So you can see that it's new. So just gonna put guys, I'm putting that much in it. Okay. maybe I'm just gonna put a little bit at first. Now, I'm gonna use the knife for this one. Then, just a little bit more. Put it in the cup. Oh, I gotta put some in the cup anyways. I have to make sure not to spill it. Guys, I'm gonna use my syringe for this. Just so it's good. I am putting it up to the 1/4, as you can see, but so yeah. My cup of contact solution did spill, guys, so I only put like this much of the contact solution in it, and then I put 1/4, so yeah. Just stir it good. You're gonna be seeing these little tiny bubbles in there. That's good. And then this is a clear slime recipe. And guys, on like Wednesday, I'm gonna be showing you how it turned out. Because it takes 2 days to do it. I'm putting 2 millimeters in there. I don't think it really matters how much water you put. And just leave it out for 2 days.
Don't start your shit.
Mom, I need to, oh, I'm sorry, Jack.
Yeah, where are you gonna put all these plates?
No, it's just this one. Okay guys, so I'm putting mine in a plate right now. Jaxie boy. My dog's right here.
I don't know what to do with that remote.
Okay guys, so I got that out of my container. Time to do a different recipe. I'm gonna stick to the normal one. Hey Jaxie boy, get in the video baby. Oh. Shake, shake, shake boy, shake, shake. Boy, sit, shake. Good boy, high five. High five. Jaxie, high five. High five, boy. Boy.
Here's Pandora
Sit.
Music for TV.
Sit. Sit.
Jaxie, go lay down.
Go, go. Fine, go. Go. No. Oh. Go see mom. Go see mom.
Come lay down.
Go see mom. Go see mommy. Okay. Stay right there. Don't care. I'm gonna go on for 2 millimeters. So yeah. 2 millimeters of contact solution. Sorry if y'all see a wire. I have to plug up my phone. There we go. The phone is now charging. Sorry guys. It goes cray-cray. Okay. So I put my contact solution in here. So it's time to stir. Remember how much glue you want, and then 2 millimeters of contact solution. If it's a medium size of glue, I'd put 3 millimeters, and if it's a large size, I would put like 6 millimeters. Guys, this had this thing on it, so that's how you know it's new. It doesn't matter how much shaving cream you put, just make sure it's a lot. Okay? Okay. It's starting to form. I'm gonna put a little bit more contact solution. Mom, I need a few paper towels. Few paper towels. What? Guys, it's kind of turning. Okay, guys. This is how it turned out. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you some other ways to make slime. Mom, can you stop the video? So see you in the next video, guys, which would probably be today. So you'll probably see me wearing the same clothes.